Another prime minister don emerge for inside BiafraLand. For the place where they call Biafra House, where they for Øvêr. Even these people even do election to hand over another prime minister. That means this government don't exist for inside Øvêr for a very long time. My people, this one is shocking me. But however, as that one they happen, they say that the Simon Ekpa will be prime minister of Biafra government in exile. Don't still come outside though. He can't say this one, nah. Every Biafra go bring out in data so that they go know say it be Biafra. Even the international community don't recognize them. Say they now have their own army. No be small thing, my people. Let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still there here. They bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, if you know say now today now be first time where they come across this wonderful channel, and you know say you never give us a follow, may you try give this channel a follow and also share our videos. It's the only thing that you can do for us to share the videos so that other people go to get the information and know what thing they happen. People will not feel they follow up for one way or the other, so that they will feel they follow up through this channel and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We see there for TikTok by same this name Balabas Gist. So my people, I beg, let's quickly jump into this matter where we'll get for our hand today. Will be smart to know this one. We will talk book for this one today. They say that another prime minister don emerge from inside BiafraLand. To this video where I go show you now the video of where they do election to hand over the former prime minister wey be there to another prime minister. And this government don't exist since, and you can see this hall. This hall where they see for here. Now they are the day they do this meeting. So let me play you the video before we come back. Come talk more thing regarding the video.
Welcome. This is the leaders from Delta. You know, if you are a leader, Biafra leader from Delta State. From Osuka. We go which region? Nasuka. Igwe the South region. Igwe the South. His Majesty. Igwe. There, His Majesty. No, Eba, I know. Biafra headquarters. Today, they made Biafra National Council meeting, and a lot of people are there from different places. In this Lagos, in this Anambra, in this Suka, in this Obubara, in Cross River, in this Ogoja, in this Kotekman, in this Abuja. No one ever has you. Hacha better. You got food video go ebe no inside kamba imi make am kwale to has member ngane woterunu etu Biafran government in BiafraLand around their business, because here in BiafraLand we are not afraid of anybody because we are non-violent. Thank you very much. I still remain your favorite and your brother comrade Imanadi. Thank you very much. Yeah, kuna pia aya wela na the Biafra headquarters Øvêr. Eba na me swearing in today ka Biafran government, High Excellency, Prime Minister of Biafra, hand over the government to the new Prime Minister, elect on 30th of December 2023. Today, everybody see to go, camera, different people, these people, you do any your name of how you do your and go on their own side. Now you phone the judicial system, the judges and the judges. Everybody I know information minister around Chief Larry Odima the man at BiafraLand and the Biafra government in BiafraLand shall run that. In I have the headquarters. In I work up for me. Okay, to my one. He has the sound or other things. So, every time, next way I'm going to dedicate to Saga, but I go, oh, my command, I didn't know live from Øvêr, city of Øvêr. I have also Biafra is live here. Huh? Later on, we will tell you update.
Please, everyone, this church will be one that needs to help to exercise this kingdom of God. Please, you sit here. The new prime minister, you sit here. You sit here.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be small thing, no. Say you don't see am. So this one no be say una go talk say na lie. Where this one happen for Øvêr. And as that one dey happen, let's go and listen to wetin Simon Ekpa talk for him own side. Let's watch this video together before we come back, continue.
Biafra has signed some international bilateral agreements and treaties, and many are on the way. It was possible because of the formation of the Biafra Republic of Exile. Biafra Republic Government in Exile has adopted a charter called the Helsinki Declaration. Maintaining military forces, Biafra Republic Government in Exile has formed its own military forces called the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters, Biafra Navy, and Biafra Air Force, as empowered by the international law. We are obtaining diplomatic recognition from other states, and many states have extended their hands of fellowship to the Biafra Republic of Exile, including the recent one today. On this day, we have received an offer of recognition from intending states. Biafra Government in Exile have activated data collection of every Biafran all over the world, including the issuance of the Biafra National Identity Card. This particular identity card was unveiled during the Helsinki Declaration here in Finland.
Yes, my wonderful people. Shebi na don hear am. Abeg, may you let us know what you think for inside comment section. Because me myself I dey ask. So this government has been there, and who are those people? No be small thing, no. But if you know more better, may you also leave your comment section. tell us what you think about these two videos where you don't watch. Do you believe say this one where they do no be government arrange, or do you believe say these people has been there, and which government they under, and who are they operating under Mozop or under POB or under government in exile they operate on? So if you know more better, may you let us know for inside comment section. We will do a second video regarding this update. For what we get from such comment section, now we go do the video post, so that the more clarification and go still come outside, because a lot of people now want to know where this one and who under who then they, because we work there are a lot of people inside this hall. So let us know what you think for inside comment section, guys. Do not forget to share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates as it dey hot.